driven.co. Sometimes we're entrusted with some pretty cool stuff, and this is something that we're very proud of. Lynn was kind enough to share her family heirloom with us. This is a one family 1969 Torino GT. This is an example of a sympathetic type restoration, where we want to leave as much originality with the car, but to bring it back to a high state of appearance, not flawless, but something that you can be incredibly proud of and shows how beautiful the car really is, and takes it back to what it looked like back in the dealership when it was purchased new. The car was in, what can I say? It was extremely original. It was well cared for, but by goodness, it was 50 years old. So it had a lot of problems. And it had been painted before. The stripes had been gone. The interior had different things done to it. The engine and drivetrain was tired. Had different wheels and tires on it. There was a number of changes that just go along with a car like this that happens throughout the years. And so what we did is we were able to find the build sheet, the original build sheet, and go back and bring this car back to its original 1969 spec. We rebuilt the engine. We did what was necessary back on the interior. Much of it is original, but has been restored, or we've gone ahead and done what's necessary to bring the car to a lovely condition where you'd be happy to show it. Much of this is original, and some has been changed. And we think it's the proper blend to keep the originality and beauty of the car. The color combination is lime gold exterior with an ivy green interior. Very, very period. And when it's restored like this with the lovely gloss on the paint, it really looks super neat. It really does. I wish you could see it in person. It's got the original hood scoop that came with the car and the hood pins that are proper. We went ahead and got in the engine compartment and made it look beautiful and original again. Rebuilt 351, rebuilt automatic transmission, back to original Ford spec. And a couple little upgrades just to go with the time, just to make it enjoyable, safe, and in something that you can not worry about when you're driving around and can enjoy around town, even better than when it was new. Car came with an electric trunk opening latch. Hands-free, baby. This is 1969. That's how they did it. So a cavernous trunk. Even the trunk was restored. Got the lovely raised white lettered tires and styled steel GT wheels. We had to research the stripe because there were several different stripes for this vehicle, and this is the correct one. When you look at it in different lights, the color actually changes, and sometimes this black reflective stripe in the proper light turns gold. Really cool. The interior is special on this and leaves special memories for Lynn too, because as a child with her folks, she used to take naps and go have a little sleep on this package tray. It's huge back there. This is how they built them in '69. And this is just way cool. Gotta love the console. Just the whole feel is wonderful. Look at those individualized gauges. We were so happy to be able to take this car and bring it back to this lovely condition for Lynn. It's what we do here at driven.co. It's what we love. It's our passion. Yeah, and this car was actually camped in. This was used as the camper van. Isn't that cool? The things we used to do back in the day. So if you have a car that you'd like a treatment like this, get in touch with us over at driven.co over in Southern California. We'd be happy to take a look at your project. We love things like this. A lot of people are not crazy about doing them because they're so labor intensive and because they just are not easy to pull off and keep looking original. But we love working on cars. We love going ahead and getting them back to the condition that the customer wants it. If it's back to original, if it's to go ahead and modify it, if it's to personalize it, that's what we do. You can reach us in Southern California at our shop, 949-234-6353. Look forward to talking to you. driven.co.
right, so we're tearing the carpet out of Len's Torino here, and we're going to check and see if the factory build sheet is where it goes. Go ahead, Will, give it a pull. Yeah, baby, that's the one right there. When they built this car, they checked off everything on that sheet against this final car, slipped it under the carpet, and shipped it.
There it is. Wow.
Pretty cool.